In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for LiteFinance Demo Contest. It's pretty simple. Here are a few steps you need to take before you can actually participate in the LiteFinance Demo Contest. First, you must have a LiteFinance account, and second, your account must be fully verified. When I mean fully verified, this is what I'm talking about. You need to be verified. Your phone number, means of identity, proof of address need to be verified before you can fully apply for demo contest. So now that you've fully verified, all you need to do is to scroll down, come to registration for the contest, put your Gmail account, the Gmail account that you use to register for your LiteFinance account, or your phone number. So once you've done that, all you need to do is to click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you get an email like this showing that your new contest demo account has been created successfully. It's pretty simple. Your server login will be there and your trader's password will be there. All you need to do is to copy your server login and your trader's password. I cannot show you mine now because of security. Then once you've copied it, all you need to do now is to open your MT4, go to login, trader's account, and sign up and start trading. Note, you need to fund your account with minimum of $5,000. Your demo account, you need to fund it with at least $5,000 before you can start trading. So once your account is fully verified, you add your server login and your trader's password, and you click on login. Automatically your account will be activated, and each time you place your trade will be tracked and also be monitored when it's time for the price. Thank you very much, guys. Subscribe to this channel and always stay tuned to LiteFinance YouTube channel.